let's call them so, then you can actually be very successful in design. Nevertheless, nature kills. Nature is a hostile environment, and what I presented is not just the naive celebration of return to nature, since we as humans need to be very careful about nature, probably more than we are now, not just in defending ourselves, but also in understanding its design patterns and harmonizing our presence with it. So I hope this answers the question.
Okay, thank you. Is there any other question? No. Ah, okay, there.
Jaromil, also about those 7 steps. I'm not sure, but I missed something in there that Armin Medosh wrote about your work, which is how important collaboration is in the development of software. Is it hidden in these 7 steps? And how exactly, where is it hidden? And how important do you think it is to or exactly how do you see your work fit into a larger environment of software development and so on? I'm also thinking of Alex Galloway and his book Protocol, in which he says that anything that fails to fit in with the protocol, with the larger landscape of software design, will in the end fail to be effective. So.
Yes. Well, interoperability is very important. What I would say, a protocol is not enough. A protocol needs to enable interoperability, which is a main diatribe in software world, as, for instance, corporations like Apple or Microsoft are denying the interoperability of their products. So actually killing the possibilities for economies to flow. I think that I'm stepping, at least I'm trying to step to the next level of analysis. As I said, the previous stage of my research was about crowdsourcing. So I make it clear, I hope enough in my work, that I'm just part of a bigger network and acting sometimes more or less as a catalyzer for activities. We are all very aware that we live in a connected society. And what is the next step, I think, is to realize what are the patterns, the design patterns that enable more people to work together, and what are the design patterns that disable people. So that's my attempt now. Not just because we had 10 years of celebration, of collaboration, and actually it got already digested by the industrial system in the moment in which crowdsourcing is adopted, even for the disappearance of humans inside machines. This is the metaphor itself of the mechanical Turk. So at this stage, we need to understand we already understand that most creations are the fruits of collective agency, be it represented or not. We need to understand the design patterns that actually enable this collectivity to take part into the process and see itself as part of the process, and actually enable subjectivity to be constituent in a way, which is, I guess, what permaculture does.
Okay, thank you.